you can remove your email address. What's up guys, welcome to Smart Tutorial Sub, and for today's tutorial I will teach you how to remove your email address and get a free hat on your Roblox account this 2024. But before we start, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. First, go to your Roblox app. In your Roblox app, tap the more icon. And then, tap setting. In the setting, tap account info. In the account info, tap your email address. And then tap the edit icon. And then enter your new email address. After typing your email address, you can check the box below if you want to receive announcement, updates, and offer from Roblox. Now click change email. Then this is the two-step verification. Now we will receive a code from Roblox. After you check the code from the email, now put it in this box. And then click verify. And then an email has been sent for verification, then tap OK. Now, go to your email address app. You will find this email and tap verify email. Then you will be redirected to this browser. And then, that's it. I have changed my email and received a free hat from Roblox. Thank you for watching, and please click the like, share, and subscribe and watch the next tutorial.